What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today I am going to be opening these 5 penny rolls that I got from the bank to see if we can find anything good. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Our first foreign coin, a 1959 Canadian. Look at that. Wow. So let's set this one to the side and let's keep looking. We found a beautiful 1982. Beautiful condition. I'm going to keep this one as well, add it to my copper collection. All right, let's keep looking. Check this out, guys. We found our first wheat cent. I don't know how all this stuff got on my hand, by the way, but that's why I wear gloves, because these coins are dirty. We found our first wheat cent of the hunt, 1949. Not too bad condition. And yeah, that's our third find. So let's go ahead and put this to the side and keep on looking. All right, guys, so I'm going through the very last coin roll, and I found this weird looking penny. And I don't know if it's damaged. It doesn't really look like damage, though. I'm trying to get close to see if you guys can actually see it. But it looks a little different. It weighs 2.5. It's a 2000. Let me show you the back. So I'm going to hold on to this one because this could possibly be an error coin. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. So I'm going to hold on to this one. All right, let's see if we can find some more out of this. I think I see a wheat cent, so let's go ahead and keep on going. This is our last roll. Okay, I was right. We got a 1945 wheat cent. Another good condition coin, especially for the age. Really, really nice. So yeah, on to the next. Check this out, guys. Another foreign Canadian coin. Let's see what year it is. 1968. Very nice. But let's do a quick... All right, guys. So that's the end of the coin roll hunt. I'm going to put these coins away, and then I'll come back and do a quick recap. All right, so here we have the first Canadian coin that we found, the 1959. Let's see. 1959. Very, very nice Canadian coin. Then we have the other one that we found. Well, let's see. 1968. Very nice condition as well. We have the wheat cent, 1945. Another wheat cent, 1949. We have this potential error coin that I found. Just looks a little different from all the other coins. And then lastly, we have this beautiful 1982 copper. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.